How to register DBS Digibank. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can register for DBS Digibank. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you wish to register DBS Digibank, first of all, launch the DBS Digibank application. And this is the interface that you should be able to see. Here you can see the login button. If you have already registered for Digibank, you can log in. But if you are trying to register, now to register also you must already have a Digibank account and only you can register for mobile banking. So tap on sign up for Digibank option and then I'll just skip this process very quickly. And you can either select, you can need a Digibank access. Now if you're completely new to Digibank itself and you don't even have a bank account, first you have to create an account by tapping on this. But if you already have a bank account, you only want to set up an access, tap on I need Digibank access button. From here you can choose your identity type and identity number and date of birth. So just choose a type like a NRIC or IC or passport, depending on whatever else it is. You simply select that, enter those details and tap on next, follow up with a couple of information according to your bank details. And then after that, you'll be able to set up and register for your DBS Digibank app. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.